Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Decode with Ratan. In today's lecture, we will cover the most important SQL interview questions, that is join. In each and every interview, either of data analyst or data engineer, this is the question that been asked by each and every interviewer. Let's see what is the table we have. So I have one left table and right table, and these are the records in left table and right table. The same records I created in Excel, left table, and this is the right table. So what we have to do, we have to, interviewer will ask, you have to give me output for the left join, right join, inner join, and full join. So we are going to solve this question. I will explain how to answer this question in interview. Okay. So first of all, we have to know about that what is left join. So in left join, all the matching record of both the tables and all the record of left table. All the record of left table plus matching record of both the tables. So that it is the left table and it is the right table. There is one in left table as well and in right table as well. So this one, first one will connect with the first one in right table and the second one in the left table will connect to the first one in right table. So what the output for the left table? 1 and 1. So for 2, there is 2 a single time in left table, but 2 came 2 twice in right table. So these are common records. So what we have to do, we write 2 and 2. What about 3? 3 is present in the left table but not in the right table. But what's the definition of left join? Common record of both the table and all the record of left table. So we have to mention here 3 because 3 is mentioned in the left table. So what is about 4? 4 present twice in left table and twice in right table. So every time, let's take this 4 will connect with first 4 in the right table and the second 4 in the right table. So the 4 will come 4 times. 4, 4 and 4. Because this 4 will connect with these two 4s and the second 4th in left table again connect with these two 4 of the right table. Then in the right table there is 5, but in left table there is no 5. But and so that the 5 will not come because 5 is not common record. What about null? Most of the candidates are confused while handling the null value in in all kind of joins. So let's discuss about this. Null means unknown. There is no value. Okay, so if there is no value, so it will not join with any of the neither this null will join the right table of this null, neither with this null. But because null is unknown, null is not equal to another null. Okay, so what we have to do, but null is present in the left table. So we have to keep two null because all the record of left table, null and null. So let's talk about, then just move to SQL Server. Let's write the query for left join. What is the syntax? Select star from left table L1. Then what we want? We want left join. Left join with which table? Right table. So we will just copy here right table. Alias is R1. Then on what condition? Condition on L1 dot left ID column is equal to R1 dot right ID column. And what we want? We want only left output, left table output. So L1 dot left ID, and we will run this. So what is the output? Like 1 is coming 2 times, then 2 is coming 2 times, 3 is coming 3 times, 4 is coming 4 times, and null 2 times. And it is the same output as I shown in the Excel sheet. Let's talk about right join. What is the output of the right join? So what is the definition of right join? All the records from the right table and matching record from the left from the both the tables, all the record from right table and matching record from the from both the tables. So this one will connect with this one and this one. Okay, so in right table one will come one and one two times. How many times two will come? This two will connect with the left table two, and this two of right table again will connect right table two. So two and 2. Okay, what about 3? What about 3 in left table? 3 is not present in the right table, so it is not matching record. So that we are not there is no record for the for 3. What about 4? 4, this first 4 will connect with these two fours, then the second force in the right table will again connect with these two fours. So that what is the output? 1 4 will come 4 times. 4 and 4. Then there is 5. 5 in the right table, but there is no 5 in the left table. 5 is not the common record, but 5 is present in the right table. Okay, so all the records from the right table we have to mention, like 5 and 5. Okay, so what about null? Again, null means unknown. We don't know the value of a null. It is unknown value. Okay, and null is not equal to null is not equal to null. So that this null will not join with this null. This null will not join with these two nulls, but null is present in the right table. So that we have to write null two times, because null in right table null came two times. So write here two times. Okay. It is the right join table. Let's again move to SQL. Write the query for this. This I'm copy and paste, and instead of left I am writing right join. Okay, and instead of L1.left ID, what the column I want to select? R1.right ID. Now let's see the output. So 1 came 2 times, 2 come 2 times, 4 coming 4 times, 5 coming 2 times, and then 2 time null. Same as our Excel sheet. Okay. What is inner join? Inner join means common record of both the tables. Only the common records. So this 1 is present in the right table, 1 is also present in the left table, so that 1 will come 1 and 1. What about 2? 2 is present in both the tables, in the right table and the left table. So 2 and 2. This 2 will connect with this 2, right 2 will connect with the left table join, and this second right 2 of right join again with the left of 2. So 2 will come 2 times. What about 3? 3 is not common. 5 is not common. So these two value will not come, because in inner join we only take common record from both the tables. Let's talk about this 4. 4 is present 1 in 2 times in right table, 2 times in left table. So 1, this 4 will connect with these two 4s. This 4 will connect with these two 4 as well. So what is the output? 4 will come 4 times. Yes. So what about null? Null means nothing, unknown. Null is not equal to null. And inner join, what is the definition? Only the common record. So null is not the common record. So null will not come in inner join while giving answer for the inner join. What about full join? Full join all the common records of both the table and all record of right table and all the record of left table. Common record of both the tables plus left table records plus right table record. So what is the output for this? This one will connect with this one will connect with right table 1. Okay, 1 and 1. What about 2? This 2 will connect with these two values. So 2 and 2. There is 3 in the left table but not in the right table. But what is the definition? All the common record plus all the record of the left table and all the record of the right table. So 3 will come. 3 will come 2 times, because in this table 3 is 2 times. What about 4? 4 will come 4 times, because in left table 4 is present 2 times and right table 4 is 2 times. So 4 will come 4 times. 4 times. What about 5? What about 5? 5 is present in the right table but not in the left table. So all the matching record plus all the record from the right table and all the record from the left table. So 5 will come 2 times. What about the null? What about null? So null is present two times in left table and two times in right table. But null is not equal to null value. But we have to keep all the record of the left table and all the record of the right table, so that we write null four times, because two times present in left and two times present in right. Just a second. Yes, null and null. Yes. So basically, it is the output. This is the output for left table, right table, left table, right join, left join, inner join, and full join. This is the overall output for the question when interviewer is going to ask from you that please tell me what tell me about left join, what is the how many records or in left join, right join, inner join, and full join, so that in this way you can explain to your interviewer. Okay, let's move to the SQL. For we are writing for inner join query. So for inner join, instead of right, I am writing inner, and for this one, just take both the rows. Okay, left and right. L1, L1, and this is left. Okay, so I am taking both the column, one from the left and one from the right, and using the inner join, let's run this. Only the common record from both the table. And what is about the full join? If I'm writing the query for the full join, then what is the output? So R1, what we have to do? Full join. What I said, common record of both the tables and all the records from the left table, not common record from the left table, not common record from the right table. So it is full join. And what I have to write, just take these right ID and left ID as well and run this. Okay, so this is the output for right for the left join. This is the output for the left join. Let's move to again this Excel sheet. Okay, I am covering one more question because it is very important question. So I am covering two question, and this is for your homework. Like you have to solve what will be the solution of this one, this left right, and you have to mention what is the left join output, what is the right join output, what is the inner join, and what is the full join output. And you can also share your solution in the comment box. Let's explain this again. So this one will connect with this one and this one. So for the left join, 1 and 1. Okay. What about this 2? 2 is not present in the left table. So 2 will not come. 5 is present in the left table but not in the right table. But what is the definition? All the records from the left table and matching record from the both the tables. So let's write 5 and 5. Why? Because 5 is present in the left table. But what about 7? 7 present in the left table and the right table as well. It means it is a common record. And this 7 in the left join will join with both the records of right tables. 7 and 7. What about 8? 8 is present in the left table but not in the right table. So we will keep 8 because all the record of the left table 8. Then what about null? Null is unknown number, not matching number, but it is present in the left table. So we will write null and null. Okay, what about right? Right table is this one. 1 is present in right and left as well. So it is 1 and 1. This 1 will connect with first one and the second one as well. What about 2? 2 is present in the right table but not in the left tables. So we are writing 2 because all the matching record of both the table and all the record of the right table. So 2 is here. What about 7? 7 will come two times. 1, 7 and 7. What about 9? 9 is present in the right table but not in the left table, but we will keep 9 here. What about null? Null is unknown, but null is present two times. So we will write null and null. What is about inner join? Inner join is like only the common record. Only the common record from both the tables. Okay. Only the common record. So one is common, two is not common, five is not common, seven is common in both the table. So 7 and 7. And what about null? Null will not come. Okay, null will not come because null is unknown. Null is not equal to null. Most of the candidate confuse while solving while giving the solution for null. But about full join all the record from both the table, like matching record from the both the table and even the non-matching record from the left table and the right table. So one is matching, then five and five, this five. Then what about seven? Seven is here and seven is here as well in the right table. So seven come two times, seven and seven. What about eight? Eight is in the left table but not in the right table. So, but we have to keep eight as well because all the record of left table and the right table in the matching record of both the tables. Eight. Now, what about two? Two will come. Two and 9 as well. 9 as well. And what about null? Null will come four times, two for left and two for right. Null and null, null, null. So basically, this is the output of left join, right join, inner join, and full join. If you have any question, you can just type in comment box. I will reply you back, or I will share my LinkedIn ID. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. What about this? So this is your homework. You have to fill left join, right join, inner join, and full join. If you have any problem in this question, please write down in the comment. I will solve your query. So thank you everyone. Please try to solve this. Thank you everyone. Try to solve this question. This is the most important question that is asked in every SQL interview of data analyst and data engineer. Thank you. Thank you everyone.